guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial I'm going to show you iOS 26.4.1 update is rolling out for iPhone. But should you update your iPhone right now or you need to wait? Many users update immediately and then complain about battery drain, heating issue or any lagging problem. So before you update your phone, you need to watch this video till end very carefully. Let's be clear guys, this is not a major feature update. You get security fixes, bug fixes, minor performance improvements. So don't expect big new feature or AI changes in the iPhone after this update guys. Okay, after update you may notice temporary battery drain, slightly heating issue, minor lag issue, but this is usually settled within 24 to 48 hours. So if you want to update your phone, you need to open your iPhone settings like this. In the iPhone settings, scroll down, open the journal, and here you can get the option software update. So just tap on it like this, and here you can get the update, as you can see guys. So if you want to update, just tap on update now. So before you tap on update now, you need to clear the storage of your iPhone. You need to connect a stable Wi-Fi connection on your iPhone, or if you are using any strong mobile network, you can go with the mobile network also. So in my case I have no Wi-Fi connection nearby me, so that's why I am using mobile data only. And main important thing guys, you need to charge your iPhone at least 50%. okay, and then tap on update now and enter your passcode and it will start updating. To update your iPhone, it will take at least half an hour to complete this process. So this all process I am going to fast forward. So after updating, the phone will restart automatically by itself, as you can see guys. Okay, so don't disturb your phone, wait until you get your home screen. After you get your home screen, that means guys your iPhone is successfully updated, as you can see guys. Okay, so just tap on continue. Okay, so that's how you can update your iPhone latest software update step by step. So that's for today guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.